Snoring is one of the most annoying habits in a relationship. It's even been the cause of some breakups. So, what causes this noisy problem? Snoring happens when there is discouraged air development in the respiratory framework as an individual rests. The blocked air causes vibrations in the mouth, which makes the wheezing sound. Like the manner in which a breeze instrument works, yet unquestionably not as sweet sounding. The natural way to stop snoring and sleep apnea. Click down below in the description to know more about it. Medical examinations of people who snore show that they tend to have excessive nasal tissue, called floppy tissue. Snoring comes with a range of health issues such as sleep deprivation, and it can even increase the risk of cardiac arrest. Loud snoring noises are often an indication that the person is suffering from obstructive sleep apnea. So, why do people snore? A list of reasons on what may cause a person to snore. Obstructive sleep apnea (OSA). OSA is a serious medical condition which is associated with extremely loud snoring and abrupt pauses. The breathing slows down drastically and the person snorts or gasps at intervals. The sudden shallow breathing and long rows of loud snores can be very dangerous for heart health, as it can cause ruptures in arteries. Weight. Obesity or being overweight can also contribute to snoring, as it causes the fat tissue to bulk up around the throat, putting pressure on the air passage while sleeping. Pregnancy. Women who are pregnant often tend to snore more. Similar to weight gain, the throat tissue bulks up during pregnancy and causes obstruction in the air pathway. Genetics. Genetics may play a vital role in snoring and sleep apnea. If an ancestor was a snorer, you are also likely to be one as you get older. It may be that you have inherited enlarged tonsils, a long soft palate or uvula, or large adenoids. Allergies. Allergy-related snoring is usually temporary and will last until you recover from the flu, cold or congestion. For people who have a history of snoring, allergies often inflame the condition. Alcohol and smoking. Alcohol and smoking can exacerbate the problem for snorers. Studies have linked alcohol and smoking to sleep apnea, as alcohol relaxes the tissues in the throat, interrupting airflow during sleep. Smoking can clog up the airways and affect the role of the lungs, causing heavy snoring. Eating before bedtime. Many studies show that eating half an hour prior to bedtime can cause snoring, as the residue from food can hinder the respiratory cavity. Important tips to improve your sleep quality. Healthy sleeping habits are a must if you are looking to improve the quality of your sleep. People who find it difficult to get into a deep slumber every night should persistently follow sleep hygiene. Sleep hygiene is a combination of some logical habits and practices. Avoid consumption of all interfering items. This includes nicotine, alcohol, caffeine and other chemicals. All these products work as a stimulant that forces you to stay awake. If you do wish to consume chocolate, soda, tea, coffee, etc., then make sure that you do it at least 5 to 6 hours before your standard bedtime. Make your bedroom look like one. Create a very peaceful environment in your bedroom. It shouldn't look like a study or a storeroom. Clear all the extra stuff that is not a bedroom material, keep the lights very dim and make use of your favorite scent. All these together will make sure that you fall asleep instantly. Eat light meals in the evening. Your evening meals should consist of foods that are easy to digest. Also, make sure that you eat at least 3 to 4 hours prior to sleeping. Sleeping with full stomach is a bad idea. It may lead to indigestion and thus, interrupted sleep. Avoid sleeping during the daytime. You may take a 10 to 15-minute nap, but don't sleep more than that. This small nap will relax you enough to carry on for the day. But a longer nap will mean that you are too relaxed to feel tired during your bedtime. And this will definitely interfere with your sleeping pattern. Follow a relaxing routine before you sleep. 1 hour before you sleep every day, do something that relaxes your mind as well as your body. Taking a bath is very effective, it instantly makes you feel drowsy. Listening to slow and peaceful music, not with the help of your headphones, though, also makes a huge difference. For some, reading works well too. You be the best judge and decide the most comforting practice for yourself. Try to incorporate these in your daily routine. Getting habitual of these will help you to have much peaceful sleep. Apart from that, try to understand the signals that your body gives you and try to go with the flow. I hope all these tips contribute to better sleep quality. If your snoring persists despite these lifestyle changes, a more serious condition like obstructive sleep apnea could be the cause. See your doctor to determine the best way to treat your snoring and to address any related conditions. He or she may also recommend throat exercises or an anti-snoring device, such as a jaw support or mouthpiece if necessary. Snoring cures that work. Click down below in the description to know more about it. Thanks for watching.